Alright, here we are at Holmesy's Otways Wonky Donkey Ride 2017. Riding from the back of Forest to Jellybrand. Not sure on the total amount of bikes here yet. I think there's 17 of us riding. Just gearing up, ready for a big day on the bikes.
Welcome to the 2017 Wonky Doggy Ride. We've been running old lead all day, so red top. No one go past me, although I'm going to be just a nice, slow, easy pace today to try and get through to the end of the day.
Yeah, right, we believe you.
Yeah, let's enjoy ourselves, fellas.
Right, as I'm gearing up, I thought I'd give everyone a bit of a rundown. So the aim today is to get through 130 Ks. We're doing a point-to-point ride, so from point A to point B, where we're staying at the Jellybrand Caravan Park. The first leg of the ride, I'm going to be going sweet man, tail man. We're running the corner man system. So I've got a GPS and a walkie-talkie where I can communicate to Holmesy, they're the leader, so hoping all should go well. I'm running tubeless for the very first time. I'll put tubeless on and the Starcross 5 soft front and rear. So as well as riding down the Otways for the first time myself, it is also a bit of a test run for the tubeless as well, and the Starcross 5 softs. We've got a bit of a mixture of a crew today. We've got some young guys all the way through up to, I think oldest is 49 or 50. And I think the head count came to 15 bikes. 15 or 16. I probably should really know that, but I can't remember the figure. Anyway, we got 60 Ks to go until the first fuel point snack stop, and then probably about another 70 or so after that. Actually no, there's more than that. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated during the day. In the meantime, let's hope for a cracker day. So I think new tyres are going to be fairly essential this ride, although if you have a look, once the top lays off, it seems pretty grippy underneath. But there is a few boys on the ride that just opted not to get a brand new tyre, and I reckon they may regret that come about 12 o'clock today. Oh yeah, it's nice and dry underneath. Beautiful, look at that, straight up. Very nice. And also too, I should mention, this ride is all organised by a mate of mine who does everything. He organises the accommodation, he organises the loop or the route, pre-rides it, gets it all up and running. His dad and brother-in-law come down and help out they cook us barbecues and lunch, so he does them once a year, but he bloody puts a lot of effort into them. And mate, I know you'll be watching, but you do a bloody top job. And it's one ride that everyone looks forward to every year. Calls it the March Madness ride, but this year, unfortunately due to scheduling, it's actually in April. So he's named it the Wonky Donkey Ride after a pub that we will be riding past later today, which I think's got a good name to it anyway, the Wonky Donkey Ride. So for those of you watching outside of Victoria, Australia, and particularly overseas, the Otways Ranges basically runs parallel to the Great Ocean Road in Victoria. If you're not sure of that, Google it. Great coastal drive with the ocean on one side and the forest on the other. And there is some of Victoria's best riding down here. This place has a very good reputation amongst dirt bike riders. It's about a 2 and a bit hour drive from Melbourne, and there's plenty of caravan parks and whatnot around to stay at, base your rides out. Great trails so far. Nice and flowy. Cornerman system is working beautifully, helps out when you've got a crew of guys that know exactly how that works. Holy hell. Whew, I don't know what happened then. But I'm all right. Yeah, beauty. Another cracking little track. Just one after the other. We've done 20k so far of 130k rides, so still very early days, but it's been a few offs already, a few little spills, myself included. Oh, hey, look at that. But no, everyone's tracking along quite nicely.
Yeah, that one on tape.
What'd you do, hit the tree?
I bounced off the tree.
Yeah.
I went like that, let go of the handlebars, lost balance, and I rolled off the back of the bike.
Oh, shit.
I rolled down there. Didn't hit nothing, just rolled off the back.
Shit. As you can see, it's definitely one of those places where you seems like you've got to be extra on your toes. I mean, look at this trail here, just on the side of the mountain in a paddock, what it looks like. Bit of a quick lolly break, I think. Look at the views. Beautiful. What terrain. And here we are at the first bit of entertainment for the day. A little bit of a ruddy hill that looks like an absolute doozy. A couple of boys are a bit unstuck on it, but come down and give it another go. And of course, the big fella is standing up the top victorious, which is absolutely no surprise. He's a bloody mountain goat. Robbie, give it to it, Robbie! Oh, well done. Alright, so I did make it up that hill, but I was too busy concentrating to turn the GoPro on. It wasn't a clean run, I'm going to be honest. The boys did give me a big push and a pull, so thanks, boys. It's a team effort though to get everyone up and get moving. And for those of you that frequent YouTube a lot, you might know this guy here, Faultline 20. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description, but we do a little bit of riding together, not heaps, but a little bit. But yeah, this is grouse through here. Sensational. Yeah, he does all sorts of ride videos from all his adventures as well. Does a cracking job of it. So, first pit stop today is in a place called Forest. And there's the Wonky Donkey, which this ride is named after. The Wonky Donkey Pub. What a name for a pub. So I think all the boys are going to line up for a photo shoot here. Look at it. Bloody ripping place. The Wonky Donkey, mate! Yeah. Here we go. Here's the fuel support. Oh, look at them, got a fire going and everything. Have a look at the spread, would you? Fruit spread out. These guys go all out. Written Wonky Donkey in the fruit. You boys have been waiting a while, haven't you? Wonky Donkey.
I haven't been dressed up as...
Alright, let's enjoy something to eat and drink. As you can see, they really don't mess around with catering. Plenty of fruit, lollies, Powerade, water, to really get you energized for the rest of the ride. He does a cracking job, and all the support crew does a cracking job too. So we'll meet up with them again in a little while for lunch. So we're into a bit of the slimy, yeah, rooty infested stuff where it's gonna start sapping people's energies real quick. Bit of a bottleneck here, but what a place to have a bottleneck in. I've got no idea where we are, apart from being deep in the otway somewhere. Here, I think. Talk it up. Yeah. Beautiful. So now, as you can see, we're on some nice loamy, or sorry, a bit of a more sandy, flowy single trail. So this ride's really had a bit of everything so far. We're currently 61 k's into the ride, and it's, hang on, it's 2:15 in the afternoon, and we haven't even reached the lunch spot yet. So I think we're not making the best time. There's been a few little hold-ups, but everyone's having fun, so we're not in a rush. We're staying here tonight, and then we can head home Sunday when we want. So if we roll in the dark, we roll in the dark. What does it matter? Nice, Braun. Yeah. As you can probably tell, Braun, as we call him, he's like a rabbit, just jumps off everything and anything. Just like that. I don't know about that. That was a bit dodgy. Oh! What? Braddles, quick mid-track interview, mate. What happened there? It looks like
that tree,
yeah,
grew a root and just punched me.
How's your groin? Cause
no, alright.
look like you're in a bit of mischief there.
How you going?
Yeah, just starting to feel the fatigue now.
Yep.
Just had our lunch stop. It is, oh shit, it's actually 4 o'clock. We've done 82 k's. And we got about 45 to go apparently. So, hopefully not riding in the dark. But thanks to the boys for cooking lunch. Had hamburgers with coleslaw and cheese and fruit there, everything. Beautiful. Really hit the spot actually. So this is what we're faced with for one of the last tracks of the day. Oh, it is hard work. I'm not afraid to admit it, but I'm absolutely buggered. I don't know how I'm gonna get up this. Whew. We made it up and out of that creek bed alive. I couldn't use the GoPro, I was exhausted. I just needed to concentrate. So it's 5:30, we've done 88 k's. I think the decision's been made to cut a few tracks out to head back because it's just getting too late. But what a ride this has been. This has probably been the most physically demanding ride I've done in a long time, and I honestly feel exhausted. But hoping a couple of energy gels pick me right up. 6:09 p.m, 105 k's later, and we are back at the Jelly Brand Caravan Park. What an epic adventure. Holy moly. Fair to say I'm a little bit knackered now, and a beer is going to go down a treat. What a ride. Braddles.
Yes.
We did it, mate. How you feeling?
Really good.
Once we got back up and flowing, I feel alright now.
Yeah, shit, yeah, it's the morale.
I feel
As long as the morale stays
I feel
up,
accomplished. No one got injured, no flat tyres, no breakdowns.
No, it's sweet.
Well done, mate.
Camo.
Well done, mate. Hang on.
Thanks, Cam.
We made it.
Yeah, Carl's over the other side. Can I pinch one off you, Snow?
Well done.
Oh yeah.